Jeep is turning up the drama with the 2025 Gladiator Dark Sky, a new special edition trim that mixes rugged utility with sleek, aggressive styling, all while packing in serious value. Built on the Sport S trim, the Dark Sky keeps the Gladiator's signature open-air experience but dials up the attitude. A performance hood inspired by the desert-rated Mojave, body-color fender flares, gloss black bumper inserts, and stealthy badges and decals give it a menacing street and trail-ready look. And for the first time with a Sport S, you can top it off with an optional body collar hardtop roof. The package bundles in premium tech and safety gear, a 12.3-inch Uconnect 5 touchscreen, adaptive cruise control, forward collision warning, and a premium wrapped steering wheel, all for just $1,495 over the base price. Buying them separately, you'd spend more. But don't think this is just a showpiece. It's still a Gladiator underneath. Dana 44 heavy-duty axles, front axle disconnect, skid plates, and 10 inches of ground clearance mean it's trail-proven. It also leads the class in towing up to 7,700 pounds and 4x4 payload of 1,725 pounds. Orders are now open. The Jeep Gladiator Dark Sky adds a bold new option to the lineup for those who want their capability with a darker edge.